Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and welcome to my channel again. I just have a few cards I wanted to share with you. Today I had my Stampin' Up class, and we made some cards and had some good times. And there wasn't, not everybody was there today, but we still got to have a good time and chatted. And we made 3 cards, and I just wanted to share them with you. So first of all, if you hear a bunch of noise in the background, I'm sorry. They're working downstairs in the apartment and out in the hallway. They're finally getting some things done around here. But here's one of the cards that we did. Let's see, do it like this. I'm trying to hold the camera today. This was the first card. And actually mine's a little bit different than everybody else's, but that's the beauty of the class. We got to kind of do our own thing, but it was similar. And so I guess I should have told you what stamp set and everything I'd used, or that we used. It was the Festive and Bright bundle. We used the stamps, and then we used the dies. And here's what the dies look like. So we did the apples, and then we did a Christmas. Actually, this was the Christmas one, and everybody else, I think most everyone, I think all the others did where they stamped out all in a row on white and colored them in, and that was really pretty what they did. I ended up doing mine a little different because I wanted to have these cut out, and I wanted to cut all this out and see what it looked like. So yeah, I did mine and ended up doing them different. And then they did also one with the Halloween set, and I didn't end up using that one. I wanted to try a different Christmas one. So I wanted to see about doing the die like this, because it showed something like that in the catalog with with the apples, similar to this. And I wanted to use some of my DSP, that designer series paper that's in the celebration. This is the, hang on and I'll tell you. Which celebration is almost over. Let's see, what is this called? Oh, Peaceful Prince. That's right, Peaceful Prince. And it goes great with the reindeer, but it also goes great with this or anything else. So this is, I thought would look real cute on here. So yeah, if you want to get anything before celebration is over and take advantage of getting some free products, this is the last week. Got until the 30th. You've still got some time to get something, and you spend $50, you get something free, and you get to pick something free out of the celebration catalog. And then also I have giveaways where I'm giving away a free paper pumpkin in a drawing, and then I have the paper, the little packs of designer series paper also that I'm giving away in a drawing, and that's only if you spend $25 for the packs of paper. So but all that ends on the 30th. So I just wanted to share these cards and remind you about all of that. And then don't forget about the paper pumpkin. You can still sign up for the paper pumpkin. And that next one is going to be a Christmas one. So the last day to sign up for that is on the 10th of October. So I hope you'll get to sign up for that. And I guess that's about it for all the announcements and everything. And I hope you liked my cards. You can let me know in the comments down below what you think. I just wanted to share those with you. And tell me how you like them, what you think. Tell me which one you like the best. You like the apples? You like the light bulbs? Or do you like the greenery? Or do you like it with the DSP? Please give me a thumbs up and like this video. Share if you can. That would help me out a lot. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I'd love it if you would subscribe and click that notification bell for all so you get all my notifications. So y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon in the next one. Thanks for watching.